Experiencing audio only in the left ear of your HyperX Cloud 3? The most common culprits are the cable, speaker, or audio output settings. First, meticulously inspect the 3.5mm cable for any visible fraying or damage, especially near the connectors. Try reseating the cable firmly into both the headset and your device. Next, check your computer's audio settings for any balance issues that might be sending all audio to the left channel. On Windows, go to Sound Settings and ensure the left and right channels are balanced. If the issue persists, gently clean the audio jack on both the headset and your device with compressed air to remove any dust or debris that might be interfering with the connection. If possible, test the headset with another device to isolate whether the problem lies with the headset or your original device. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, the problem may be internal. For cable issues, consider replacing the cable with an official HyperX replacement, taking advantage of their extended warranty for free replacements within the first 2 years. If the speaker itself is faulty, indicated by no sound even with a known good cable, explore repair options. HyperX has partnered with iFixit certified shops for affordable repairs. Online tutorials, popular on YouTube, demonstrate cable splicing or speaker replacement if you're comfortable with DIY fixes. Remember that a common manufacturing defect is a faulty solder joint in the right speaker. For advanced users, reflowing the solder joint with a soldering iron may restore functionality. As a last resort, contact HyperX support for warranty claims or explore purchasing a new headset. Considering the Cloud 4 expected late 2025 will offer a fully wireless solution, eliminating cable-related problems altogether.